What's the first thing you do when you wake up? For most of us, it's grabbing our phone. Within seconds, we're drowning in notifications, emails, and other people's priorities. That habit isn't just hijacking your focus, it's flooding your brain with cortisol, the stress hormone, before you've even had a chance to think. It's like starting your day in reactive chaos. But we're going to fix that. I'm about to show you how to replace that screen-addicted loop with a few simple, deliberate moves that will rewire your brain for momentum, clarity, and daily wins. Get ready to dominate your mornings. A year ago, my mornings were a disaster. Alarm, snooze, grab the phone, scroll, guilt, snooze again. My afternoons felt like wading through wet cement. The game changer was learning a crucial scientific fact. Your brain is at its most plastic for the first 20 minutes after waking. This means that in that critical window, you hold a metaphorical dry erase marker. Whatever you focus on becomes the blueprint for your entire day. It's a prime opportunity to shape your reality. Today, I'm handing you the exact step-by-step routine I used to flip my script. It's not complicated, it takes less than 15 minutes, and it costs nothing. But its effects last all day, boosting productivity, focus, and emotional resilience. This routine helps you manage your reactions and find solutions, fostering a sense of empowerment. Ready to take back your mornings? Let's go. The 3-Minute Bedtime Bump. Winning tomorrow starts tonight. Before bed, grab a sticky note and write down tomorrow's first win. A simple sentence like, "I will drink water and breathe before checking my phone." Now stick that note right onto your phone screen. This small act of pre-decision is a powerful psychological tool called a pre-commitment. It stops your brain from negotiating with itself at dawn. Just 5 more minutes, a quick peek at Instagram, by making the decision for you ahead of time. Scientific studies on intention setting show that people who decide on a specific goal the night before are significantly more likely to follow through. You're programming your brain for success while you sleep. By placing this physical barrier in front of your bad habit, you're not relying on willpower you don't have in the morning. You're priming your brain for an effortless win. The 4-breath re-entry. When the alarm goes off, don't touch that phone. Sit up and plant your feet on the floor. Now exhale fully, then inhale through your nose for a count of 4, hold for 2, and exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. Do 4 cycles. This takes less than a minute. What you're doing is actively calming your nervous system, shifting it from a fight-or-flight stress state to a calm, ready state. This isn't fluff. Navy SEALs use a similar technique called box breathing to reset before intense missions. As you breathe, don't even glance at your phone. That flash of light is a powerful trigger that can spike your dopamine and pull you into a reactive loop before your day has even begun. Finish your 4th breath, feel the calm, and then reach for the sticky note, not the screen. 60-second hydration and celebration. You've breathed. Now stand up and walk directly to the kitchen. Drink 1 full glass of water. This simple act rehydrates your brain after hours of water loss during sleep. But the real secret is the intentional movement. Every step towards the kitchen is a conscious vote for the person who follows through, building undeniable proof that you achieve your goals. While you drink, say one thing you're genuinely grateful for from yesterday, even if it's just a whisper. It could be as small as, "I'm glad my coffee was hot." This combination of action and gratitude releases serotonin and dopamine on your terms. Instead of letting your phone's endless scroll hijack your brain chemistry, it's a powerful, personal win. The 2-minute win stack. Now, let's stack the wins to build momentum. Do 10 push-ups or 20 jumping jacks? Choose something that feels like a 7 out of 10 effort for you. The goal is to wake up your body and feel accomplished, not to exhaust yourself. Immediately open a window or step outside. Natural light, especially in the first few minutes of waking, is a game changer. It resets your internal clock or circadian rhythm, telling your brain it's daytime and time to be alert. Read your sticky note out loud again. Then smile on purpose, even if you have to force it. The facial feedback loop is a real phenomenon. It tells your brain's emotional center that something good just happened, sealing in the positive new habit. In just a couple of minutes, you've hydrated, moved, oxygenated your body, and primed your brain with a success loop, you're already winning. If this sounds too easy to work, that's the point. Easy is sustainable. I challenge you. Try this for just one morning. Then drop a comment below and tell me about your first win. And if you're getting value, hit that like button so this video can reach another person who needs to win their morning. Let's spread this. Locking in the loop. Most routines fail because of novelty fatigue. Your brain stops releasing reward chemicals once a task becomes too predictable. To stay ahead of this, you need to add a little variety. Keep the core structure, wake, breathe, hydrate, move, but rotate one variable each week. For example, swap push-ups for air squats, or instead of gratitude, splash your face with cold water for 5 seconds. Think of it like changing your workout playlist at the same gym. The consistent framework builds the habit, but the variety keeps your brain engaged and excited. After about 21 days, this routine won't be a task. It'll be an automatic program that runs before you're even fully awake. The no phone buffer zone. This is the absolute non-negotiable rule. Do not touch your phone until you've completed your entire win stack. But it's my alarm. Get a $10 alarm clock. What about emergencies? The world can wait 15 minutes. By delaying that information drip, you're protecting the precious theta brainwaves still active from sleep. This is a deeply relaxed, creative state crucial for cementing new habits. The average American picks up their phone over 200 times a day. That first look sets the tone for all the others. If you stay offline until you've earned your first wins, you're not just taking back your morning, you're taking back control of your attention for the entire day. Evening shutdown for morning ignition. Your brain doesn't reboot at sunrise. A good morning starts with a good evening. Set an alarm for 60 minutes before you plan to sleep. When it rings, it's shutdown time. Lights go low. The phone goes on to charge in another room, not within arm's reach. Then do a one-line brain dump. Grab a pen and paper and jot down any worries or to-dos circling your mind. This act of offloading closes open tabs in your brain, allowing it to prepare for restorative sleep. Better sleep amplifies your morning routine. Protect your evening shutdown to ignite your morning launch. Let's recap the protocol. Tonight, write your first win on a sticky note and put it on your phone. Tomorrow morning, alarm goes off, you sit, feet on the floor, and take 4 deliberate breaths. Then you hydrate with a glass of water and a moment of gratitude. You'll follow that with 2 minutes of movement and natural light. And the final rule, your phone is off limits until the entire routine is complete. Do this for just one sunrise and you'll feel the shift. Do it for a week and you'll start to own your mornings. Do it for a month and you'll realize that success is a programmable habit. Write your note tonight. Test this tomorrow. And when you finish, comment win below. I'll see you in the morning.